Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at some essential OEM drone accessories specifically designed to fit the Mi 3 Pro. This set includes various crucial components like the motor arm axis module, coaxial line, upper shell, middle shell, main board, ESC board, and camera parts, offering a comprehensive range of replaceable items for this popular drone. These accessories are described as being made from quality material, noted for having fewer burrs and a good texture. This attention to detail in the manufacturing process suggests a focus on providing parts that not only fit correctly, but also feel robust and well-finished. A key benefit highlighted is better wear resistance, which is crucial for drone components that can experience stress and friction during flight and handling. Improved wear resistance naturally leads to a longer potential lifespan for the replacement part, and by extension, for the drone itself. The primary purpose of these items is as repair parts. They are specifically intended for accidental damage replacement, aiming to make the repair process less stressful and more straightforward for the drone owner. Having readily available, compatible parts like these means that a damaged motor arm or a cracked shell doesn't necessarily ground the drone permanently or require sending it away for costly repairs. The availability of core components like the main board and ESC board also suggests these parts are suitable for addressing more complex electronic issues, offering a path to restoring full functionality. Ease of installation is another point mentioned, alongside a long service life. While installation complexity can vary depending on the specific part being replaced, a shell might be easier than a main board. The claim of easy installation is reassuring for users who prefer to perform repairs themselves. A long service life, coupled with a better wear resistance, reinforces the idea that these are durable replacement options. The information also notes that the provider specializes in drone accessories. This specialization can often translate into a better understanding of the product needs and quality requirements specific to drones, potentially offering a higher level of confidence when purchasing these critical repair components. Knowing that the parts are designed to fit the Mi 3 Pro precisely is paramount, ensuring compatibility and proper function once installed. Whether it's replacing a rear left axis motor arm or a camera component, having parts that are a direct fit is vital for getting the drone back in the air safely and effectively. These accessories appear to offer a practical solution for maintaining and repairing the Mi 3 Pro, providing the necessary components to address common issues and extend the life of the drone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.